The Chinese sportswear brand Peak has recently unveiled the first ever pair of 3D printed basketball sneakers. The 3D printed shoes were presented at the 2017 Peak China Tour and Dwight Howard 3 press conference. Earlier this year Peak came onto our radar with the release of its 3D printed Future sneakers, the company's first 3D printed shoe. Not only was it a breakthrough for the company, but they were also the first additive manufactured running shoes to hit the Chinese market. Now the company has achieved another first release with their 3D printed basketball sneakers with high top support. At the Peak Dwight Howard event, the Charlotte Hornets player announced his next line of basketball shoes, called DH3. In collaboration with Peak, the generation of shoes comes in two options: a red pair that is not 3D printed, and a white pair which features 3D printed parts. The 3D basketball shoe integrates a 3D printed TPU structure that makes up the shoe's vamp side walls, as well as a 3D lattice structure in the midsole. 3D printing allows the shoe's designer to explore the new and innovative design possibilities for the shoes while still maintaining high-performance properties. The shoes were manufactured using selective laser sintering, SLS, 3D printing technology. The 3D printed basketball shoes won't be hitting the NBT courts right away, but you'll want to keep an eye out for them. There is also no word yet if they will be released commercially, but 3shoes.com will keep up with the latest news best we can. Peak first started using 3D printing technology for footwear 3 years ago, which it bought its first 3D printer. Since then the company has found many ways to leverage the technology to create both aesthetic and performance enhancements to their products. With the release of its second 3D printed footwear product, the company plans to use 3D printing more often and for a wider variety of products.